Here's a look at how to make the most out of your slides by optimizing them for Prezi. With Prezi Video's transparent mode, you can import your PowerPoint or Google Slides and remove the background, creating a more personal and engaging experience on screen. If you want to get a head start, we've created several templates for Google Slides and PowerPoint. Click the link here to check them out. Now let's start by optimizing your existing slides for Prezi Video. Since you want to be seen with your content, let's first adjust everything over to the side. With transparent mode, since the backdrop of your slides is being removed, you may want to adjust the color or size of your text and use transparent PNG images for improved clarity on screen. If possible, use shapes and diagrams when building your slides, as these will really help your content shine in Prezi Video. For example, try adding a shape or object behind your text boxes to give them a visual frame that really pops in Prezi Video. Lastly, we recommend creating your slides in 16:9 ratio, which is the default aspect ratio for both Google Slides and PowerPoint. Once your slides are ready, it's time to import them to Prezi Video. With Prezi Video open, select Import. You have two options. Either select Add from your computer if you want to upload a PowerPoint file, or select Google Drive here to log into your account and import a Google Slides presentation. Next, choose to either import all slides or select the ones you want to use. Let's select all of them. To navigate through your content, use the arrows on the sidebar here or use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Depending on what you want your audience to focus on, use the toggles here to switch between the different views. Now let's select transparent mode. Once you select it, the background of the slides will disappear and the content will come forward to create a more immersive experience. Heads up that if you're using a name tag, it's going to be hidden while using the transparent mode. If you want to use one, we recommend adding it to your slides before importing them. That's it! Start using transparent mode in Prezi Video with your PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation on your next call for a more engaging experience.